Hello, today I'm making mini spot rags. What do you use them for? When I paint or stain furniture, sometimes I just need a little bit of the rag to dip into the paint thinner to remove the paint or stain. Or if I'm polishing my nails, I want to use a little piece of a rag instead of a lot of tissue paper or Kleenex to wipe up the nail polish on my nails. So I would need a little bit of a rag, but not a whole rag. Or if I'm removing my makeup, and most women like to remove their makeup with something soft, I use flannel. Now this one is reversible and has a very thin toweling on the back. So you take an old thin towel because you don't want it to be too thick. You just want a tiny piece of rag at times. So I make these mini spot rags. And what I do is I take a lid of a moisturizer or a cookie cutter or a jar lid, and I trace around it and I cut it out. Now flannel is nice if you're using it as makeup remover pads. The towels alone are just good for paint thinner and nail polish remover. Then you zigzag the edges together of the flannel and the toweling so it doesn't fray. Try that with one hand. And this is a nice soft rag to remove your makeup with. And the other side, well, you would trim that off a little bit better. The other side you can use to actually wash off the makeup. So if you have any old thin towels or scrap flannel fabric, that's what you can use these for. Instead of paying for makeup remover pads at Amazon or any other place, you can wash these, keep them in a separate bag, a net bag to wash them. And thank you for watching.